I know you saw that breakfast thumbnail, but we're not making a video about the full complete breakfast. That's just the Saturday morning breakfast here for the gang. The video is focused on my blueberry muffins, guys. I'm recording myself, so let me see how this gonna work itself out. I already dropped something already, right? Okay. Ooh, back door. Ooh, the girl is hot. Couldn't put on no makeup. Couldn't do nothing because the girl is hot. Okay. Blueberry muffins, my way. The way I do them here in the kitchen. You got to preheat your oven to 350. And I'm just going, okay. So it's like early Saturday morning. Tell y'all, this thing almost didn't go off at all. I'm telling you. But I just caught so much attitude a few minutes ago. Yeah, and I'm cooking breakfast. So what I got going on for the fam is fried potatoes, sausage, grits, and eggs. Blueberry muffins. That's their Saturday morning breakfast. And I can let you guys take a quick pick. What'd I say? A quick peek before we get started. So right here is some potatoes. I already cooked. I did a whole 5-pound bag of fried potatoes, guys, with skin on, and seasoned them very well with onions and garlic powder and onion powder, seasoned salt, pepper, you know. Right here, I got the remainder of the potatoes cooking. I already had some sausage links done. I had some more sausage cooking here. I think I only want 2 whole packs of sausage. And I had the grits back there doing its thing, bubbling, cooking, guys. A big old pan. You see how big this pan of grits is? That's how big a pan of grits I gotta make for my family. Sausage, remaining the fried potatoes, more sausage, potatoes. I got stuff right here on the counter. I'm in here cooking Saturday morning. Potatoes is already done. Okay, guys, we're back. This is a 1 bowl blueberry muffin. No separation, no anything. Let me tell you what I have in here. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of sugar, the zest of 1 lemon because it's blueberries, okay? 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And I have my buttermilk, which is a cup to 1/4, but I will not be using this whole cup. Let me let you guys know that. So, in go the buttermilk. It depends on how. I'm gonna say, where the blueberries? I'm gonna get the blueberries, y'all. I want to stir this up first. And I made a crumble, and I'm gonna link the video from my blueberry crumble up. Now, what's that blueberry crumble? Yeah, my blueberry crumble in the description bar below, so you guys can remember, go back and make that crumble. Okay, and this is just how I want it. So at this point, I'm using frozen blueberries, not fresh. If you want fresh, you can.
It smells good.
Huh?
It smells good.
Yeah, that's a good consistency. And so let me get my blueberries, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. And this is everything I get from Aldi's. This is about maybe 1.5 cups of blueberries. But at this point, I don't want to mix it in. Oh, and I like it because it turned the blueberries blue. I just want to. I should have been ready, right? I'm trying to get my spatula, you guys. Because at this point, I want to mix. I want to fold this in. Hey, Andrew, come here for a minute. Can you rinse this spatula off for me? So I just got it out the drawer. So at this point, I want to fold it in. I don't want to mix it in. Rinse that spatula off for me. It's so easy for me to call everybody's name. Huh?
I can get potatoes.
Yeah, you get some potatoes. They look so good, don't they? I know. Thank you. So get your favorite spatula. and just fold in your blueberries. And you gotta put that lemon in there because lemon and blueberry just go well together. Guys, you haven't seen, I have a blueberry lemon loaf on YouTube. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put the link in there too. So there's gonna be 2 links: the crumble link, the blueberry lemon loaf. Because you have not tried that, you have to try. So many of my subscribers have hit me back and said I got flour stuff. They made that for their families and they love it. So yeah, so it's Saturday morning. Everybody been working hard all week. Why give them a good breakfast treat? Okay, so this is like a cupcake dip. Scooper. If you have like an ice cream scoop, you can use that. This is to make sure you have even amount of cupcake dough or cupcake filling in the pan. Go into this pan right here. Put it over here. I had some cupcake liners that I sprayed with some baking spray so that when they pull off the blueberry muffins off the liners, they won't stick. Yeah. And even though I'm using this, I'm still not gonna like fill it up. I'm trying to get a little bit more than 12 muffins from here. My other food is cooking. I turned my grits off, guys. And I like when I use frozen anyway. Lift it up some. So I hit the camera 2 times. Jackson helped me, guys. I like when I use frozen anyway, just because I like when the blueberries turn blue. You know? Y'all just gonna know. I video almost get made. I was in here kirking off this morning because I couldn't find my blueberry pan. I was like, I can't find my blueberry pan. I want to make blueberry muffins. Where's my cupcake pan? Because you guys know I make cupcakes. And, oh, that's what I meant to have on. And I'm going to put it right back on. My black aprons came in. So all you guys who ordered the black aprons, they will be on their way shortly. They just came like a day ago. Yes, and I love them in black. I'm about to put one on. Okay. I still have, see, look. I still had a little bit left. So this is going to do about 12, about 14, 12. That's about 3 more. This is the crumble. I'm going to link the video on how to make this crumble. You guys will love this crumble. Best crumble ever. Ever, ever. And it's going to stick it on top of your... Stick it on top of your muffins like that. Everything I do is a little bit messy. But guess what? It get the job done, people. Yes. Oh, my blueberry muffins with crumbles on top. It's amazing. Yes. And these are going in the oven on 350 for about maybe 18 minutes or so. Yeah. It's good. My kids love this crumble stuff, guys. So I gotta make sure. And I might have some crumbles left over. And see, some of them got lumps because, oh, there's lumps with the butter. It's going to be terrific. So, these go in the oven until toothpick done. I'm going to say about 15 to 18 minutes, 350 preheated. And we'll be right back. I'm going to clean all this up around here, though. But, yeah, we'll be right back. So, guys, guess what this is? They're not sausages. They are beef hot dogs. You got to improvise. With a family as large as mine, I got to improvise. Everybody don't eat sausages, pork sausages. I love my maple sausages. Everybody in this house don't. I didn't have anything beef or turkey bacon, so I found some beef hot dogs, chopped them up. This is about 6 hot dogs I had. Chopped them up, frying them. There you go. There's your other meat. And guys, look at how good my grits came out. They're nice and smooth. No lumps. The butter in these grits. Look at those grits. Them they ain't gonna be eating. Good breakfast for them today. Good breakfast for the kids. And those potatoes are finished. A whole pan of potatoes. And I got so much going on, I forgot. So these hot dogs are done. I forgot I still make the cheese and eggs, which you guys probably won't see, but I do have a link. I made this egg video, how I make my eggs here. So you're gonna have 3 links in the description. Fried potatoes, you see how I make my fried potatoes. The blueberry crumble, just to see how I make that crumble topping for the blueberry muffins. And then the egg video to see how I make my eggs. So let me take these hot dogs off and we'll be right back with those muffins. They're almost done. Okay guys, final look. What's that? Fried potatoes.
Fried potatoes.
Grits.
Buttery grits.
The fried beef hot dogs.
That's for me.
The sausages.
For the pork lovers.
That's funny. Maple sausages too. And the eggs. I'm making the eggs, but I'm going to show y'all the link to how I make my eggs in the video. It's going to be linked below. But let me show you guys the real reason why we're here. Okay guys, end result, my blueberry muffin. This is the little spatula that comes with the that little scooper. Man, look at this. And see how easy it comes out. It's a non-stick pan. And when you tear them apart, oh my God, it smells so good. It's like awesome sauce. Anybody like that commercial? I love that commercial.
Awesome sauce.
That's what these are. I got about like 4 more to cook, but you guys don't have to sit through that. Let me find where to sit this at. I will be cooking my 4 more. But look.
Dang, I feel bad for everybody. What everybody else here?
Blueberry muffins, guys. That's what this video was about this week. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. The blueberry muffins came out wonderful. Let's just look at one. Woo.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
That's perfect.
And the inside, my hand's shaking. I don't know why. Hands always shaking. So guys, that's my blueberry muffin. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Follow that subscription. That's the subscription. Follow that recipe that I did. Until next time, SoulfulT, I am out. And as always, oh, I still ain't show you guys. But give me that apron real quick, hanging over there. Because I'm so used to not wearing it. And I was waiting on it on the aprons. And I said the black ones came. So everybody who ordered your aprons in black, they will be out. They're going out on Monday. Your apron will be coming. And guys, I only have 4 aprons left. 4. I love it in black. Unfortunately, young lady asked me about purple. If I get purple, they're not going to be as long and as wide. It's a different inches and width. The purple ones will make it a little bit shorter. But black or white, right now we only have black available. Only have 4 left. Guys, since we only have 4 left, I am letting them go on sale for $20 plus shipping. In the United States, it's $3. Outside the United States, you got to email me about that because I don't know how much it's going to cost, okay? So, email me at SoulfulT45@gmail.com if you want an apron, and I'll get you all the details. So, happy holidays, guys. So, guys, again, I said this is a short video. This is a complete meal. And I'm just going to throw a biscuit right there on the side for somebody. And I am finished.